Kashmir has been a special place for eminent scholars, philosophers, poets and Sufi saints. Kashmiri poets have contributed immensely to the field of Kashmiri language and Kashmiri literature. Sayyid Meerakh Shah Kashani, popularly known as Fakir-e-Millat, was a Sufi poet and was born in 1895 in district Srinagar of Jammu and Kashmir. He had no formal education beyond initiation in Quran, Hadith and Persian literature. His ancestor Sayyid Habibullah Kashani came from Kashan, a famous city in Iran. He started calligraphy of Quranic verses to raise money to feed himself and his disciples. He urged mankind to believe in one God, perform selfless service to the poor, sick and needy without thought of reward or fame. He strived for unity of mankind, shunning distinctions based on social, economic and religious status. He died at the age of 76 in 1971 and was buried in Shalimar in district Srinagar of Jammu and Kashmir. Ahmad Sahib Batwari. He was a famous Sufi poet and Sufi saint of Kashmir. He was born in 1883 and at a very young age he started writing Sufi poems that spread fragrance of love and brotherhood all around. It is said that he entered the world of spirituality and mysticism at a tender age, and he promoted Sufism in nook and corner of Kashmir Valley. He died at the age of 80 in 1963 and is buried in Ahmednagar, Batwari in district Srinagar of Jammu and Kashmir. Samad Mir. He was a Sufi mystic poet from Kashmir. Samad Mir was born in 1893 at Alam Sahib, Narwara in district Srinagar of Jammu and Kashmir. He worked as a laborer at Harinivas Palace. Samad Mir was completely illiterate person and his poetry was written for him by Ali Shah, and his poetry was compiled in his Kulliyat called Kulliyat-e-Samad Mir by Motilal Saki. He has written some more than 200 poems and his poetry deals with abstract qualities like beauty and truth. Samad Mir died in 1959 in Nambalhar area of district Badgam of Jammu and Kashmir. Rahma Rahi was a famous Kashmiri poet, translator and a critic. He was awarded the Sahitya Academy Award in 1961, the Padma Shri in 2000. He is the first Kashmiri writer to be awarded the India's highest literary award, the Jnanpith Award in 2007. Rahma Rahi was born in 1925 in Vazpura area of district Srinagar. Rahma Rahi published more than a dozen books of poetry and prose in Kashmiri language and is credited with restoring the Kashmiri language spoken by maximum number of people in Jammu and Kashmir. He often said that Kashmiri language is a nation in itself, and he explained if there is no Kashmiri language, there will be no Kashmiri and hence there will be no Kashmir. Rahma Rahi died in 2023 at the age of 97 and was laid to rest in Visarnag, Naushara in district Srinagar of Jammu and Kashmir.